Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your original ID card and a clear color photocopy. Also collect proof of name and birth documents like a birth certificate. Check the receiving country or agency for translation format and notarization rules. Decide between certified translators, translation agencies, or a sworn translator. Certified translators provide a signed affidavit and often notarization for legal use. If you need apostille, verify the consulate or government office that issues it. Prepare multiple copies and scan all documents in high resolution for backup. Contact a certified translator and request a quote and turnaround time. Provide the translator with the original ID and its clear photocopy. Ask for a signed translation, translator contact details, and official stamp. Confirm whether notarization or a sworn declaration is required by the agency. If needed, visit a notary with the signed translation and your ID present. For international use, obtain an apostille at the competent state office before submission. Keep both digital and paper copies and verify all translated fields for accuracy. Review the translated ID line by line, ensuring names, numbers, and dates match. Check spellings, passport numbers, issuance and expiry dates, and place names. Request corrections immediately if you find discrepancies to avoid delays in processing. Pay attention to fees which vary by translator, notarization, and apostille services. Allow a minimum of 2 business days for simple certified translations and longer for complex cases. When submitting, include originals, certified translations, notarized copies, and proof of payment. Store translation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.